5 new developer opportunities IERA, Saga Nadella, India visit takeaways. With the launch of chat, computing went from a bicycle for the mind to a steam engine for the mind. At Build this year, we have more than 50 announcements, and I want to highlight 5 of them. Bringing Bing to chat. Chat is the fastest growing consumer app I've ever seen. And this is just the start of what we plan to do with our partners at OpenAI to bring the best of Bing to the chat experience. Windows Copilot. Second, we are bringing Copilot to the biggest canvas of all, Windows. This is going to make every Windows user a power user, helping them take action, customize their settings, and seamlessly connect across their favorite apps. Copilot Stack and Copilot Extensibility. Next, we've built our Copilots with a common architectural stack, and we are now making it available so that everyone can build their own AI apps and Copilots from the AI infrastructure. Whether it's Chat, Bing Chat, Microsoft Copilots, or your Copilots, they will all share the same extensibility model. Azure AI Studio. Our new Azure AI Studio is the full lifecycle developer toolchain for the new era of AI. We've been at work on AI safety for years. Microsoft Fabric. Every AI app starts with data. That's why we're thrilled to announce Microsoft Fabric. It's the biggest launch of a data product from Microsoft since the launch of SQL Server. It unifies compute and storage, the product experience, governance, and the business model, across all the different types of analytics workloads. The positive relationship between technology and economic growth has been evident for a long time. I had a chance to see an example of an AI assistant, built on this next generation AI, that will help Indian villagers gain easier access to government services. And so, I want to leave you with this video that epitomizes what you, as developers, can do in the days, weeks, months, and years to come. Subscribe, like, and share to stay ahead of the trends with Trendwise Global.